Hi guys, hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's Mama Tash. Welcome to Falu Boy. Is it Falu Boy? Change. Make sure you subscribe. Click on that subscribe button, like, share and comment. So guys, today
So you should tell the people the truth. You want to any feelings. You slay queen. You huh? Just say something with the people, not slay queen like you want to.
I'm not slave. I'm saying the truth. Guys,
You want 5 minutes to go.
5 minutes.
Yes, just do it so. Why are you shy?
I'm not shy.
When you go down the town, you do not do content because you have people. Mm.
I normally do content.
Mm.
But then nimeamka kutoka kwa mfululizo, so I don't know what to say.
No, the content crazy is always you can do on sleeping, on bed. When you wake up, you see your camera, you say, "Yeah, hi guys, wake up." What do you feel shy? How comes? Content crazy is always okay. You can do freestyle.
Freestyle.
Just a sing. Mm. Because you always content creator, not that you are lazima ujipange. No way.
What type of song? Bora peke yangu.
You're crazy. If you do not tell, I can go nowhere. Looking at dance, you also. Yeah. Okay, just do it dance.
Dance. So, what am I dancing to?
You are?
What am I dancing to?
Any you can,
What song?
Any song can play. Oh, you can tell people your favorite songs in the world.
My favorite song is
all country, not Kenyans.
Not Kenyans.
All countries.
Chris Brown.
Oh, Chris Brown.
I like Chris Brown.
Which song with that? Your favorite?
No, he's my crush. No.
Are you crazy?
No, I'm not crazy. Anyway, guys, I like Bora Peke Yangu by Falu Boy.
You Falu Boy, Bora Peke Yangu. Kwenye pita zako ukapatana nani?
Nikapatana na mubaba.
Which mubabas? Grandfathers? Like grandfather? Babas. Because in English, babas is the grandfather, you see? Grandfather.
So it means I'm dating.
You date fine, like find a girl, you dating. You find a girl. Look on Nyash. Turn your people to see your Nyash, small Nyash. Fine boy. This is a cool. Eh? Alright. Umekaa kijijini mpaka ukakuwa village girl, eh?
Umekuwa village girl original.
Village. That's a good. You know, most people, most men, mainly woman. Male woman. They can marriage. Get marriage woman to go town, not village. But me is a simple.
Me, I came from town. I get interior. And that's it.
So you vibe. Now you are you have 2 kids, but nobody can.
I have 2 beautiful cars.
Yes.
One, my firstborn. My firstborn. Is now 1 year 7 months.
1 year and 7 months.
And my younger daughter, she's 8 months.
8 months.
Yes.
Wow. So Valboy Midi is the ungaling.
Me, I was not ready. But
It's connecting. Eh?
I was not ready for the second child. But I had to
Yeah,
accept,
thank God you are ladies.
face the reality.
Mm.
Well,
But
Bobo, that's
but
it, guys.
second
The
daughter
deed
is
has
my
been
my
done.
favorite
The
daughter.
deed has been done, and there is nothing you can do.
Mm.
Mm,
Which your tribe?
my type.
Mm.
I'm a Kalenjin.
Kalenjin.
Mm,
You are Kasongo.
not
Sasa
Kalenjin kama umbrella. So mimi ni Kipsigis
you are Kipsigis.
kutoka Bomet, from
Yeah.
Bomet County.
Mm. The Kulia land is your
Chepchumba.
Ashri Chachumba.
Chepchumba, yeah.
So you love Kulia so much. That's why you came here
Yes.
for gay marriage.
I love the locality over here. People are so very local.
Yes, that's why. Local local village is always any tribe.
Mshene ni kama yote. Wakuria na Wajaluo.
Mm.
Mshene ni kama yote.
Don't worry. Everyone have more character because any tribe is more is have
What?
some characters.
Characters.
Yes. That's why my tribe is Moshene always. But
Me,
you
I
can
was
get
not
any
raised in
tribe who
Mshene
come by like
culture.
a witch, you witch snitch, each
Which one?
like
You see, Kalenjin, they are
Kalenjin
good
is
people.
maziwa milk.
They are good people.
Huh?
People.
You are good.
Kalenjins are very,
Not
very
good
good
people.
people.
Kalenjin is the economic democracy. The
They are not.
economy. is it's
No.
the economies.
No, no,
Yes,
no.
you know
That is not
Kasongo.
okay.
Anatutesa, this server.
No.
Hmm?
Have respect.
Respect
Have
Kasongo.
respect. You still
So
a
you
leader.
say, oh, you want to
Still a
buy car?
leader. You are
Your
leader.
tribe Kasongo ameharibu hewa.
Yeah. So that's why people are calling me
That's
Kasongo.
why you can't leave this village because the fare is so expensive. Fuel is so
Expensive.
expensive. Mm. So you can stay.
That is Klopo.
You can stay this
Mm-hmm.
village when Kasongo is a leaf.
Leave.
His leaf.
Where? He's not going anywhere.
Mm. So you support so much because he is
No,
your
not
tribe.
that. Not that I support because he's from my tribe.
Mm.
No.
Mm.
But that respect you have for the
Reader,
leaders, yeah.
I don't expect any leader because no one
Leaders are next
supporting
to
me.
God.
No one I can beg
Kila mtu
to
ako na
support.
mapungufu yake. No?
Mm.
I'm not saying that
I
I'm
beg only
supporting.
God
I'm not.
because God is always to me and then do anything for me. Anyway, guys, tell your people how shoes are finished.
Finish.
Uh,
What?
you are finished.
You are finished.
Uh,
Finish.
finish. The end of the video, no go.
Oh. You are surprised. How am I finished?
All right.